You must have seen the vapor power plant. Look at here. In vapor power plant, what are the various components? You are having the pump. You are having the pump where you are giving the work input, right? After pump, you are having boiler. Where you are supplying some heat. Then you are having superheater. Then you are having superheater. Here also you are supplying heat. Then you are having turbine, where you are getting the work output. Then you are having condenser. Where you are having the heat rejection. Now my friends, one by one I will be telling you the states at various devices, inlet or outlet. Look at here. At the inlet of pump, I am having saturated liquid. Don't worry if you are not aware of this, don't worry. Just listen carefully. अगर आपको नहीं भी पता है तो कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं, मैं समझाने वाला हूं. At the inlet of the pump, you are having the saturated liquid state. What happens? This pump will be increasing the pressure of this saturated liquid, and this saturated liquid will be converted into subcooled liquid. Now this subcooled liquid will be entering the boiler. From the boiler it will be entering the superheater, and finally here I will be having the superheated vapor. Now this superheated vapor will be entering the turbine, and it will be getting converted into wet vapor after producing some work, and this wet vapor will be entering the condenser, and I will be getting the saturated liquid at the outlet. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, please listen carefully. Let me say condenser is operating at PC is equal to constant, and this steam generator is operating at PV is equal to constant. तो बेटा ध्यान से सुनना. Can I say in pump the pressure is increasing from condenser pressure to boiler pressure? ये कंफर्म करो बेटा. Can I say in pump the pressure of the saturated liquid or pressure of the working fluid is increasing from condenser pressure to boiler pressure? ये कंफर्म कर दो बेटा फटाफट से. क्या मैं बोल सकता हूं? ये जो वेपर पावर प्लांट है, in this vapor power plant the pressure of the working fluid is increasing from PC to PV. Can I say in a turbine the pressure of the working fluid is decreasing from PV to PC? Can I say in turbine the pressure of the working fluid is decreasing from PV to PC? Now listen carefully बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताने वाला हूं. आई विल बी गिविंग द फिजिकल फील कि ये चीजें यूज क्यों होती है. माय फ्रेंड्स, इफ आई आस्क यू वन स्मॉल क्वेश्चन, अगर मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछूं, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस स्टीम जनरेटर? बॉयलर प्लस सुपर हीटर इज नोन एज स्टीम जनरेटर. ये स्टीम जनरेटर यूज क्यों होता है? व्हाई आर वी यूजिंग boiler plus superheater, that is a steam generator in vapor power plant? Anyone in the class can tell me what is the application? Why are we using? हम लोग क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? Why are we using? हम लोग क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं this steam generator in vapor power plant? What is the reason? To produce steam for phase change. क्या होगा अगर phase change हो रहा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? If the phase change is taking place, what will happen? इफ द फेज चेंज इज टेकिंग प्लेस व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होगा फेज चेंज होने से, क्या ऐसा फायदा हो जाएगा आपको? वाई वी वॉन्ट फेज चेंज टू हैपन, क्यों चाहते हैं हम लोग फेज चेंज हो जाए? व्हाट इज द रीजन? सुपर हीटेड वेपर बनाने के लिए। व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग सुपर हीटेड वेपर? बेटा ध्यान से सुनना, ध्यान से सुनना। I have told you clearly the magnitude of the control volume work, maybe input or output doesn't matter, the magnitude of control volume work will be depending on a specific volume. It is going to depend on a specific volume 100%. If you want to give the power input, if you want to give the power input, you want to give minimum power input. When you are getting the power output, when you are getting the power output, you want maximum power output. आप चाहते हो कि आपको power output क्या मिले? Maximum मिले. You want power output to be maximum. You want power output to be maximum. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, कुछ चीजें बताऊंगा आपको मजा आ जाएगा. Few things I will be telling you, you are going to enjoy, you are going to love like this, like anything. See here. This is the steam generator. Forget about this. There is no control volume work. In a steam generator, boiler plus superheater, there is no control volume work. There is no control volume work. Control volume work is 0. Here in condenser, there is no shaft. I told you yesterday also. There is no control volume work. There is no control volume work associated with the condenser. Ha. Here I am having, yes, definitely in case of pump I will be having some control volume work. 100% here I am having some control volume work, and of course here the control volume work is negative. I am giving work input. Yes, in turbine also I am having some control volume work involved. Here I am getting the work output, so control volume work is positive. But listen carefully. What is the net work output? ये net work output क्या होता है? Net work output is work output minus work input. What you want? You want net work output to be maximum. आप चाहते हैं कि net work output maximum हो. When the net work output will be maximum, when the work output is maximum and work input is minimum. यही तो मैं आपको बोल रहा था, यही तो मैं आपको बोल रहा था. You want maximum net work output. When are you going to get maximum net work output? When the work output is maximum and work input is minimum. अब ध्यान से सुनना, ये मैक्सिमम मिनिमम किस चीज पे डिपेंड करेगा? दिस मैक्सिमम मिनिमम will depend on what? It will depend on a specific volume. It is going to depend on a specific volume. If you want minimum magnitude of control volume work, अरे pressure range is same. I'm not bothered about pressure range. I'm not bothered about pressure range. Pump is operating between PC and PV. Turbine is operating between PV and PC. Doesn't matter. When I want minimum magnitude of control volume work, I want a specific volume to be minimum. And when I want maximum magnitude of control volume work, I want specific volume to be maximum. लिक्विड फेज में स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम बहुत कम होता है. दैट मीन्स द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वर्क इनपुट गिवन टू द पंप विल बी वेरी स्मॉल. अब मैं यही लिक्विड अगर यहां डाल दूंगा तो क्या होगा? अरे इफ आई एम पुटिंग द सेम लिक्विड इन टरबाइन, व्हाट विल हैपन? अरे पावर प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा, पावर प्रोड्यूसिंग हो जाएगी रे बाबा चंपो, but that magnitude will be very small na. You want power output, you want work output, you want magnitude of control volume work to be maximum. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, वहां पर वेपर फेज रखते हैं. अब वेपर फेज to go inside the turbine, you should have someone which will change the phase from liquid to vapor. और वही काम करता है आपका स्टीम जनरेटर. स्टीम जनरेटर इज चेंजिंग द फेज फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू वेपर so that the specific volume will be huge, and when you are getting the work output from turbine, you will be getting the beautiful झमाझम work output. रे बाबा, are you getting? बोलो रे बाबा. मजा 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 मजा. Are you getting? Oh ho, what a beauty. आज समझ में आया. Now you are able to understand why are we using the steam generator in vapor power plant. जब इनपुट देना है तो मिनिमम इनपुट देना है, लिक्विड फेज रखो. जब आउटपुट लेना है तो मैक्सिमम आउटपुट लेना है, वेपर फेज रखो रे बाबा. अरे क्रिस्टल क्लियर है रे बाबा. अरे व्हाट अ ब्यूटी. बेटा इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया कि वेपर पावर प्लांट में स्टीम जनरेटर का क्या रोल है और कहां पर लिक्विड फेज होना चाहिए, कहां पर वेपर फेज होना चाहिए, यार ये तो हर्ट्ज के सिंबल हो जाए, पूरी चैट बॉक्स लाल हो जाए रे बाबा. यस यस सैम, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. व्हाट अ ब्यूटी. एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट. Yes, 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 yes.